All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Friday's Friday idiom. So changed your tune. So tune as in music. Well, not necessarily. But changed, here we are. Changed what you're saying. Change what you've said. Yeah. To do something differently. To do it one way, change your tune and do it another way instead. Using this tool, change your tool using that tool instead. Yeah. He often changes his tune. He goes from doing one thing to another. Yeah. He is different now and always changes his tune. Yeah. See, I thought you were in property, but now you're always exercising. Yeah. Why do you change your tune? Why do you change your tune? Okay. You need to change your tune. You can't keep doing that and expect a different result. You can't keep doing that and expect a different result. You have to change your tune eventually. Your tune eventually, yes. Have to. Yeah. I will change my tune when I see the report. When I get a new idea, then I will change my tune. Yeah. Because I must think carefully before I change my tune, before I change my strategy. I must think carefully before I change my strategy. It is not a decision to take lightly. Yeah, not a decision to take lightly. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. This is what happens when you change your tune. See, this is what happens when you change your tune. You lose time. You're not focused, and you in some way you lose respect in people's opinion, because you're not consistent. You're not consistent doing the same thing. If you change your tune every day, every week, do something different, you're not consistent. You need to be consistent. Otherwise, you're doing this, changing. No, consistency. Consistency is key. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use change your tune in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as you can find me on Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.